If you're looking for information on the Slideoo Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Slideoo Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Slideoo Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Slideoo Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. It doesn't matter how much info you're packing into your presentations if they're boring your audience to sleep. But after spending so much time researching content for your slideshow, you can't sink more hours just to make it pretty. If only there was an AI-powered tool that could create stunning, professional slide decks in just a few clicks. Make way for Slideoo. Use this AI-powered presentation builder to create stunning slideshows in minutes. Collaborate with colleagues inside Slideoo and finalize presentations in a few minutes. Generate engaging presentations from scratch with the power of AI. Slideoo is an AI-powered slide deck builder that lets you create stunning presentations from scratch in just a few minutes. Stop wasting time in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva. With Slideoo, you can generate a full slide deck in minutes. Creating a deck is a breeze. Simply enter your purpose, industry, and tone and then review the auto-generated outline. Choose from hundreds of expertly designed themes to make your content visually appealing in just one click. Once you have generated a slide deck, you'll be able to collaborate with team members and stakeholders to make edits and finalize your presentation. Convert blog posts, news stories, and other web pages into slides by pasting up to 5 URLs into Slideoo. The AI will automatically review the content and select the most relevant information, so you don't have to worry about getting a slide deck that's a mile long. You can add these summarized slides to any presentation to give your audience more context about your topic. You can also upload files to Slideoo to transform lengthy PDF documents into eye-catching summarized slide decks. The AI will analyze up to 200 pages of content, pull out the main points, and then organize those into a compelling presentation, saving you dozens of hours in the process. Already have a deck you've poured hours into? Upload a PowerPoint file and edit it in Slideoo to polish it up. You can convert plain text into slides in seconds, which is super handy for adding info from notes, emails, or article snippets. Don't worry about formatting because the AI will automatically structure and organize your text into visually cohesive slides. Plus, you'll be able to embed media like audio clips and playable YouTube videos to spice up your presentations. With a little help from AI, you can turn yawn-inducing slides into dynamic presentations. Slideoo uses generative AI technology to help you whip up info-packed slide decks that captivate your audience in just a few clicks. Create engaging decks in a snap. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Slideoo today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.